Hello, this short screencast will demonstrate how to log into the Google Apps environment, and once you're inside, how to navigate around and some of the initial features that will be useful. We're using Chrome as our preferred browser. It works on multiple platforms and is easily downloadable for Mac or PC, and it should be on all board computers. You can see here, I'm at my home page. You can log with your credentials into Google, but we're going to navigate to our domain, which is smcstudents.ca, and log into there. And the sign-in page will come up. And you sign in with the credentials you were given, so that's your first initial and your family name, and then the password you were given. Here we are in the Google Drive. So Google Drive is where you keep your documents. You're going to store the documents you create, and it's from here that you can share out, and it's to here that other documents get shared with you. So I'm in my drive, so this is where I create my documents, and some are shared, some are folders, and you can see this is all the documents and folders and things I've created. If I go to shared with me, these are the files and documents that people have shared with me. Some of them they've just shared for me to view, and some I'm working on with them. You have the option of viewing as icons in this kind of grid view or as a list. The benefit of a list is so I can see that John's folder is actually created by Danuta and shared with me, and that Jonathan French was the last person to modify something in that folder. You may have noticed as you hover over documents in the grid view and in the list view, it turns yellow and there's this little checkbox by the side. If I select the checkbox on any given document or folder, it brings up a different range of actions, so I can share the document from here, I can move it to another folder or delete it, take a quick look at it, or under here there's some other options. Two useful ones are add a star and make a copy. If I click add a star, this highlights it as an important document and it will appear in this starred folder. And so it's a way of keeping at the front important documents that you don't want to lose in what will become a forest of documents and folders. I'm going to unstar that because it's not actually something I'm working on, it's just a practice file. And the other useful option was make a copy, which does just that. It makes a copy, and so if I work on the copy, it means I can protect the original. This is especially useful with documents that are shared with you. If they're shared with multiple people, and if a document is shared with multiple people but you actually want each person to work on it independently, having them make a copy of it will mean you'll just see their work. Again, I'm going to delete that copy because I don't need that. Up here in this bar you can see there's other areas of the Google Apps. You can create calendars, your own website, create groups, look at context maps, and a whole lot of stuff here. And I really would encourage you just to play and Google and see what happens. So that's logging in and navigating the drive.